The First Amendment protects freedom of speech, but that doesn't mean you can express anything you want, anywhere, anytime. Here are some questions about public school student speech and expression that come up a lot. Can you wear a symbol showing your support for or opposition to something? Most likely, yes, thanks to the Tinker case, a Supreme Court ruling that said 3 students should have been allowed to wear black armbands to school to protest the Vietnam War. Students don't lose their First Amendment rights at the school door, so schools can't censor because they think something could be disruptive. It's up to the school to prove that you'll be disrupting the learning process. Can you badmouth your school with some F-bombs on TikTok? Probably. Thanks to the Tinker ruling, your school would have to show that your post caused real disruption at school or specifically harassed other students in order to get you in trouble for it. As one Pennsylvania school district found out, in the case of an F-bomb Snapchatting cheerleader, it's even harder to prove you're disrupting school when you're off campus. Can you publish an article your school administration doesn't like in the school paper? Probably not. When students at the Spectrum wanted to publish articles about teen pregnancy and divorce, the school district said no. And in 1988, the Supreme Court agreed with the censorship based on the school's educational concerns, because the paper was a school-sponsored project intended for learning, and not a forum for expression. Now, many states have specific laws to protect students' expression in school papers too. Anything else you should avoid? Stay away from lewd speech or innuendo, as Matthew Frazier found out in 1983 when he gave a speech with dirty jokes at a school assembly. And even if it's just a joke, avoid anything drug-related, like Joseph Frederick's 2002 Bong Hits for Jesus banner. Frazier and Frederick lost their cases, so these topics are worth avoiding altogether. What other questions do you have about student speech at public schools? Drop a comment.